Hello, in this video, we will be looking for SumProduct. SumProduct function returns the sum of the products of the corresponding array. It first multiplies and then returns the sum of the given array. In the given case, if we have to find the total of revenue, we will use SumProduct. Now let's see how does this work. For this, we need to type the function known as SumProduct. The first syntax is the array1. It is the first array argument whose components we want to multiply and then add. In the given case, we will select the quantity. The second syntax is the array2. In similar terms, we will select price. That's it. Further, if we are to find the total revenue of Apple company, we will use an advanced sum product. Now let's see how does this work. Firstly, we will allocate the array1 as the brand with the brand we have been looking for. We will multiply this with the array2, in the given case quantity, and finally the price. That's it. It first multiplies the number of occurrences of the brand name by the number of matching occurrences of Apple. It finally multiplies the quantity and price and returns the revenue of Apple company. Some product function in Excel is that easy. That's all for this video.